The universe is already 13.8 billion years old. Astronomers figured this out by observing the cosmos. As you're listening to this very sentence, in every corner of the universe, all sorts of mind-blowing changes are already happening. So, have you ever wondered what incredible things happen in the universe in just one single second? In just 1 second on Earth, about 2 people will pass away and about 4 babies will be born. Globally, there will be about 100 lightning strikes, 18 trees in the Amazon rainforest will be cut down by humans, and at least 1 airplane will take off from a runway. Meanwhile, inside your body, over 100,000 chemical reactions will happen and 3.8 million cells will be renewed. In just 1 second within our solar system, the Sun will consume over 4 million tons of material, converting it into energy in its core, allowing it to continuously shine and produce heat. And in that same second, Earth will travel 29.78 kilometers around the Sun. It will also receive 1.2 billionth of the Sun's total energy output per second. This energy powers photosynthesis in Earth's plants and even charges human-made solar panels. And in just 1 second outside our solar system, the neutron star PSR J1748-2446 AD, located in the constellation Sagittarius, will spin 716 times. This is the fastest spinning neutron star known to us, spinning millions of times faster than Earth's rotation. At the same time, Voyager 1 will also travel another 17 kilometers, making its distance from Earth even greater. It can never return. In just 1 second in the Milky Way, the light emitted by hundreds of billions of stars has already traveled about 300,000 kilometers through space. And our Sun, along with the 8 planets, has traveled about 220 kilometers as it orbits the galactic center. It's estimated it will take about 120 million years to move to the other side of the Milky Way. In just 1 second within our local group of galaxies, the Andromeda Galaxy has rushed 110 kilometers towards our Milky Way. It's expected that in about 4 billion years, it will collide with our Milky Way galaxy. At that time, the two will merge into an even larger galaxy. And looking at the entire universe in just 1 second, new stars are constantly being born from clouds of gas and dust. Also, old stars that have reached the end of their lives are ending their brilliant existence in explosions. And of course, in just this 1 second, the deepest known galaxies in the observable universe have already moved about 1.07 million kilometers further away from us. Almost all distant galaxies are accelerating away from us. This is the galactic redshift phenomenon discovered by astronomer Edwin Hubble. It shows that the universe is constantly expanding. That's right, in just 1 short second, even if we do nothing, the universe will undergo massive changes. So, clearly, the universe won't change because of human existence. And perhaps all we can do is cherish every moment we have.